Today I have Harvey with me. He is such a cutie. He is my niece's little boy. And so I claim you. Do I claim you? Can you tell everybody hi, Harvey? Hi. Hi. Yeah, he is a good boy. I love his haircut that we do on him. We're going to do a number 3. So we're going to put that guard on. Okay, here we go. Can you hear it? Can you hear it? There we go. Okay, so we're gonna do the number 3. I like to bring it up and around here, and then we blend it after I cut the top. So I will show you that. He is being so brave, aren't you? He is definitely a little boy. He has his cute brother that he's a good example, right, bud? Yeah. Okay, so I'm just coming and taking the number 3, and then I will show you when I go to cut this, how I get this tight, just because there's little hairs there. I'll show you how I get that tight. Okay, bud, now you can tilt your head up a little. Good job. You are doing so awesome. Okay, so now this side. So again, you can see where I'm just coming up above the ear. Yeah, my niece Riley is a sweetheart. Huh, is your mama a sweetheart? Yes. Okay. Okay. So I will clean up the bottom area in just a minute. So we do a number 3 across there. Then what we're gonna do is we're going to spray. Woo, do you like this part, Harvey? Is it a little cold? We're getting hair on your little chin. Okay, so we're gonna spray. Oh, you're doing awesome, Harvey. Okay, and then what we're going to do is we are cutting this shorter, but we're gonna leave it a tiny bit longer. So we're not doing, so finger length is up here and we're gonna go up about halfway. Because we want a little bit of length up top to style with. So I go to the middle to the right and then I come around this back and cut that. Okay, and we're gonna turn this way. And then middle to the side. You doing good, Harvey? You're doing awesome. You're doing so good. Okay, same thing in the middle. And what I do is I just take that hair that I have cut before, and then I just comb the hair in front of it, you know, to the back hair that I just cut. That way you have a guide point to see how long you want to cut the hair. All right, so same thing. We're gonna go off to the right here. Okay, Harvey, you're doing good. We're almost to the other part, okay? Yeah, he's been super good for all these haircuts. I'm like, because when he was a baby, like most babies, they do not love their haircut. So it was a little rough at first, and now he is the best boy ever to get his haircut. Aren't you, bud? Yeah, so you're gonna show all the little guys out there how to get their hair cut like a big boy, huh? Okay, now, so I've cut up this way. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna come this way, and this is how you cross-check your work to make sure that it's all even. Okay. Same thing, we're gonna just hold this up a little bit. Okay, and same thing on this side. So I like to go down the middle, then I like to take, you know, the side section from this side and then this side, just coming up to check that. Okay, then we're going to do the front. Okay, Harvey, can you look at RaDona? Yeah, you're so awesome, aren't you? You're a good boy. Okay, here we go. I'm just gonna come in and just trim this. Good job, Harvey. You are doing amazing. Okay. Good job, good job. And if it drives the little boy crazy, you can ask them to just close their eyes. But Harvey is a good boy, so you didn't need to close your eyes, huh, bud? But sometimes that helps. So it seems a little long up here, so I'm just taking this a little bit shorter. So cute. All right, now we're going to go into the blending, which I use my blending comb. Okay, we're going to come into this side. We're gonna come in and then hold the comb out. Okay, I'm gonna tear down a tiny bit. There we go. Good job, you went for a ride, bud. Okay, so I just come in between and we do the short hair up to this long hair and we blend that in. Now, say you're just starting out, see how I'm going horizontal across this way? Maybe if you're starting out, just come up vertical this way, which means up and down. Then there's a little more control and it takes less hair out at a time. And so maybe you'll feel more comfortable doing that. If you've been doing it for a little bit, then you can come horizontal, takes more hair, it's a little bit faster. And the thing with blending is if you bring your comb in and keep it to the head too far, it's gonna take too much hair off. So if you come in and hold it out this way, then you can go back and take a little more if you need to, but it won't get it too close to the scalp. So it will blend a lot easier. Good job, Harvey. You're doing so good, buddy. How was school today? Good. Yep, he's a big boy, goes to school now. Okay, now I'm gonna put his head up there. We're just gonna get this front part a little bit. Okay. Now I'm going to look in the mirror because what I do is you like to look down the sides to see if it's blending through the sides nicely through here. So we're just gonna bring this in a tiny bit and this in just a tiny bit. So I can see that when I look in the mirror. Sometimes when I'm doing it, you know, like this, I can't see it as well. So if I turn into the mirror and double check everything, then that's when I can see how much more I need to take off. Okay, good job, Harvey. Okay, now I'm gonna double check again. Oh yeah, that's blending good, bud. Okay, a little bit right here. Are you relaxed? Does it feel good to get your hair cut? He's cute. He is a cutie. Okay. All right, I'm just gonna do this back a tiny bit more. Okay, now to check this part, I always like to check the corners. So then I come back around and I go from the side up to this hair. And if there's any little hair that's poking out, then you can cut that little corner off and that will blend the haircut even extra good. Okay. Okay, same thing here. So you can see that little corner that we're taking off from the side to the top. There's that little corner. Some people don't know to take that corner off, and the haircut still looks good, but it's when it starts to grow out that you kind of notice it gets bulky through that area. So it's kind of nice to just get that corner off. Okay, now what I'm gonna do is just texture up here because we're gonna lift this up and do it a little bit messy. So I'm just gonna texture up here. That just cuts little hairs in his hair. And then if you need to, you can come through where, where you blend and take some of that hair out. Perfect, his head is down, ready for the bottom. So we will go ahead and do the perimeter part, his hairline. Sorry, I should have told you. Here we go with the little clippers, buddy. Does that feel okay? Good. Okay, so we're just coming around, taking this off. Okay, then I'm gonna tilt his head a little bit and we're gonna come around his ear. Good job, Harvey. Okay, now we're gonna come straight across from the ear. Make sure their head is tilted just straight, because if it's down and you go to lift their head up, then it's gonna be off. Okay, then we're just gonna go around this ear this way. Good job, Harvey. Okay, and now we're gonna do it back here again, bud. Good job. Okay, so you can see I'm just coming on an angle. So I go straight across, and then I'm gonna angle up. Then I'm gonna just come back behind his ear, clean that up, and then put his head up. Good job, Harvey. You are doing so good, buddy. Okay, and then same thing, I'm gonna come back by his little ear. Okay, turn this way, bud. Perfect, stay right there. Good job. Good job. So when Harvey was born, something fun about him, he was born with so much hair. Like so much hair that it was literally crazy. He had a man bun when he was tiny, 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 because he had so much hair. Huh, Harvey? Did you have lots of hair when he was born? Yeah, you did. Okay. All right, now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the Flexible Hold Gel, which is a little bit like this. Okay, we're gonna rub it in our hands. Okay, we are going to look in the mirror so I can see what we're doing here. How does it feel, buddy? Does that feel better? You look so handsome. Okay, I'm gonna take a little bit of hairspray. Was it awesome? You were so good. Okay, thank you so much. Can you tell everybody bye?
Bye.
See ya, huh? Wait. See ya. Have a good day. Thanks so much. If you have any questions, I'd love to answer them. Please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll chat next time. See ya.